I'm in a terrific River North location at State and Grand, 505 North State. Looking out toward Michigan Avenue's Mag Mile and Lake Michigan, standing on a balcony and panning around, looking toward the Wrigley Building, the fabulous Riverwalk, and Bertrand Goldberg's iconic Marina City. State and Grand has an enviable location and an appealing suite of amenities. Just stepped inside to Unit 3003, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Very appealing layout here. You have honey-colored plank flooring that extends throughout the unit. An efficient U-shaped kitchen with granite counters, breakfast bar peninsula, tile backsplash, granite counters, French door refrigerator, and you can see that the kitchen is set up with everything you're going to need to feel right at home and feel comfortable in staying a while. It's a Sweet Home Chicago unit, so you won't find anything missing. Heading back past the living area again to the master bedroom. This is a corner unit, and the master has windows on 3 walls, facing north, facing east, and facing south. Master bath is oversized, has a wall of frosted windows, deep soaking tub, tile that extends up to the ceiling, a separate walk-in shower, wide vanity with banquet drawers for storage, and a designer mirror. What a great room to wake up in with the sun rising over the lake. Heading toward the second bedroom. It's a coat closet off to my right. It's a full-size stacked washer-dryer. Second bedroom looks north. And then crossing the hall to the guest bath. Very attractive finishes, very similar to what you saw in the master. Walk-in shower. Building shares amenities with the Hotel Palomar next door. There's an indoor pool, fitness, sun deck. Terrific location. And it's Sweet Home Chicago, so it's a sweet deal.